A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You did realize say one big thing for be the priest, for all of the priests them, the leader for the priests them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, go on now, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, me go read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 5, from verse 1 to verse 10. God pick every one of the leader for the priests them from amongst them own people. So them could have come to God for the people them. And so, then can come give God offering and burn sacrifice game for the people them sin. Cause the leader for the priest them are people too. Him we know how to take time with people when I know better and I do wrong, since him weak and we do wrong too. And that making have a burn sacrifice give God for him sin and for other people own. For turn the leader for the priest them, I want big thing that. And nobody can just come say they want turn one and go turn one. And so it go. God have to call him for turn the leader for the priest them. Just like how him they call Aaron. A same thing with Christ Jesus. Him name just go take up leader for priest position. Just so. And big up himself. No, a God said to him, say, you are me boy pitney. Today, me turn for your father. And somewhere else, him say, you are one priest forever. One priest like a Melchizedek. When Jesus did there upon earth I live, in the pray to God hard. The one way could have saved him and not make him dead. Him cry out loud and bawl high water. And God did hear him, because Jesus did humble himself, trust in a God, and did ever ready to do what God tell him to do. Even though Christ Jesus a God wanna pick me, when him go through sufferation, he did learn to listen what God say and do what God say to do. And now that him go through all of that and can turn all the way he's supposed to be, him end up turn the one we save people forever. So long then do when tell them to do. Cause God pick him for turn the leader for the priest them, like Melchizedek. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.